Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to customize your channel. So previous video I'm just create a channel, and this video I'll show how to customize channel. So now I'm click on customize channel and with a new tab open studio.youtube.com. Okay, now this is my channel and don't have anything. Say about now join 21 December 2013. So guys, welcome to studio and press continue button, and I'm the customize and branding and basic info. So I'm just typing a description. So guys, I'm just typing a descriptions and custom URL. This is my custom URL. And type your business mail. So let's people how to contact your business equipments, and this email address to enter your my appear around about section on channel may be visible viewers. So guys, if you want to business mail, share this. So I don't have a business mail, so I just skip these options. So guys, next time chat with channel customized branding.